Good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today we will see our today's Bank Nifty and crude oil performance. And before watching the performance of today's trade, we will see how to use our MST Core 2.0 and E Core 2.0. So on behalf of MST School of Trading, once again we all thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel and giving your overwhelming responses for our indicators. So now we have made the trading very simple. It is not difficult. Even a layman can trade. Even an elderly person can trade. There is no difficulty at all. So we have made it that much simple. So what thing we have done? We have created some indicators named MST Core 2.0 and MST E Core 2.0. So here in MST Core 2.0, this is mainly used for crude oil. This is mainly used for crude oil, but the same indicator can be used for all other purpose. This is the multi-purpose indicator. This is the multi-purpose indicator. I will tell you one by one in what way we can make use of the indicator. So first we have to take the crude oil. So here you go and type crude oil. Select the feature, current features. Then always keep in 3 minutes time frame. Always keep in 3 minutes time frame. So now what you have to do, by default, it will be enabled for the first buy, first sell, second buy, and second sell. By default, it is enabled. Now what you have to do, after 9:35, after 9:35 or 9:40, you have to open the chart. You have to open the chart. So here this is first buy and this is first sell. So both you can enable at the same time. Both you can enable at the same time. Okay. Now you have to wait for the market to either to go for upward or downward. So market has opened somewhere here. Somewhere here market has opened. Our first sell entry is at 4722 and our first buy entry is 4683. So the blue line is our buy entry. The top blue line is our sell entry. So what happened in the morning? It came down to some extent, then it has reached our sell entry only. So now the sell has been activated. The high made 4725 and our entry was at 4722. Now what you have to do? Once sell activated, we have to cancel the buy. We should not go for the buy. I'm explaining you the strategy, right? Now what is our first target? The first target is 4684. So after sell activated, it came down exactly to our target 4684 and the low made was 4682. So exactly our target has been achieved. That is 39 points. We have got the profit for one lot. If you are taking some 10 lot or 20 lots, then 390 points or 3900 points you will get based on your investment. So I am talking about only one lot. So if you have taken as per this indicator, today you could have booked rupees 3900 rupees without any effort. Okay, this is our strategy. Suppose instead of coming to 4684, suppose if it had reached to stop loss is 4761. Instead of coming to 4684, if it has gone against the order, against our favor, then we will be in loss of 3900 rupees in the first sell. But our strategy says if first buy or first sell SL hit, then we have to go for the second entry. Where is the second entry? So here you can see first sell, opposite to first sell is the second buy. You enable the second buy and remove the first sell. It is very simple. I'm going very slowly. So this is in case of if SL hit. Yesterday SL did not hit, our target hit. Suppose if SL hit, what we have to do? See here, our entry is at 4761 and our target is 4799. So exactly our target hit. Here there is a slightly different. What is the different? So initially in first cell, we will be taking 1 lot or 3 lot or 6 lot or 9 lot and so on. Okay. I will consider the first one. I'm taking 1 lot and the first at 4722 cell. So fortunately we got the entry. Suppose if we don't get the target, then we have to go for the here second by 2 lot. Okay, double lot we have to take. Why double lot? 1 lot we have already in loss and 1 lot is for the profit booking. So 2 lot we have to take and we have to exit at the first target. Clear? Now our loss has been recovered and we are in a profit of 3,900. So this is our strategy. It is very, very simple strategy. Once again, I explain what you have to do. In the morning at 9:35, you have to enable both buy and sell. Both buy and first buy and first sell. And please wait for some time. Let the market go somewhere. Either it has to go upside or downside. Whichever gets activated first, trade in the direction that day. So now what happened? A sell has been activated. So now we have to remove the buy. So our target 4684 has been achieved successfully. Suppose if target has not achieved, only in that case we have to go for the reverse trade. That is the second buy. So in second buy also the target has been achieved. So in today's scenario, there is no loss, whatever be the situation. But what we are telling, based on the experience, what you can do, and based on your risk appetite, you can go for the both first buy and first sell. It is only for the risk trader. It is not for everyone. Okay. So yesterday what happened, after giving targets in the sell side, it has immediately activated our buy entry 4683. Yesterday we have mentioned in today's call that risk traders can take 4683 buy. So we have entered here at 4683. Our first target 4721 done, second target 4759 done, and third target also done yesterday. So actually I'm using the word yesterday because recording this video in the morning of 29th April. Okay. So this is for the yesterday previous day performance. Now it is clear. So now all three targets has been achieved successfully. From 4683 to 4797, all targets has been achieved. Now market has reversed. So now this is the working procedure of our indicator. There is nothing else. You don't have to worry anything. So we had some other parameters in our indicator like moving average zone, GMR levels, and moving average 1, 2, 3, and multi time frame and all. Since most of the customers felt that they are getting confused, so we have removed everything and we have kept very simple. First buy, first sell, second buy, and second sell. Okay, this is for the crude oil. Yesterday we have seen. So what is the profit you have got? The profit for first entry we have got 39 points. In second entry, we have got high of 4797 minus 4683. So how many points? Take the calculator. 4797 minus 4683. 114 points we have got. How many points? 114 points we have got yesterday. 114 point means 11,400 rupees for single lot. Okay, in a second entry. So 114 plus 39 points. 114 plus 39. So yesterday we have got 153 points profit in crude oil. 153 is the total profit from first buy and first sell. So 153 means 15,300 rupees profit per single lot. So this is in case of with the crude oil. Let us see for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, the same indicator can be used. So yesterday Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty we can use either in futures or in a spot value. So what happened? Yesterday first buy did not activated. So obviously we could have gone for the first sell, but after first sell the sell hit. So while if SL hit, what we have to do? We have to go for the second buy. In second buy, we have got the target. Very simple. Whatever be the market condition, whether it is a trending market or ranging market, bullish are controlling or bearish are controlling, don't worry. You follow the method. If first sell SL hit, then immediately go for the second buy with a double lot. See here, it has taken support exactly here, then it has reversed. And after achieving the target, they have come down. That's all. So similarly, you can do back testing for all the script. So, but this indicator is mainly we have created for the crude oil purpose only. But it is working in all the script. So I will show you the nickel. Yesterday, what is the performance of the nickel? Before nickel, I will show you how much point we have got. So 33,458 to 33,729. 33,729 minus 33,458. 271 points we have got yesterday. 271 into 25, 6,775 rupees. So yesterday profit 271 points. And the profit is 271 into 25. I'm talking about one lot. If you're taking 20 lots or 10 lots, 100 lots, 1000 lots, it is up to you. So we have got 6,705 rupees in a single trade. Even after SL hit, we are getting the profit of 6,700 rupees. So here what you have to do, you have to follow the indicator blindly. You don't apply any of your knowledge. Don't apply any of your knowledge. Overall, in a month, you will get a good profit. So last month, we have booked around 67,000 rupees. Previous month, we have booked some 50,000 rupees. So you can see in the previous day performance, you can see. So all the data are with you. We cannot hide anything from you. Okay. All the data are with you. So you can follow, you can check for any day. So this is for the Bank Nifty MST Core 2.0. Okay, now I will check for the other script also. Nickel. I'm checking, just checking randomly. Okay. Nickel. So in nickel, what happened? So I have to keep by default. So I'm resetting to the default settings. See here. First buy activated at 1269.3. First target done, second target done, third target done, and fourth target also done. So how many points you have got? So let us see. 1270 minus 1311. Oh, 41 points you have got. So 41 points mean 41 into 1,500 rupees. So in nickel, yesterday we have got 14 points. So each point is for 1,500 rupees. So it has given us 61,500 rupees profit in a single lot of the nickel trading. So this is yesterday performance. Okay. So similarly, every day you can get the profit. At least overall in a month, you will get the profit. See, day before yesterday, buy activated here exactly. So here and almost second target done. So this is very simple indicator and you can use it for lifetime. Lifetime, I mean, you can use, your children can use, their children can use, your grandchildren can, grandchildren can use. So it is an asset for you. It is an asset for you. You teach trading to all your family members and everyone will be able to get the good profit. See here on 23rd April, buy activated, first target, second target, third target, and third and half target almost done. So this is, see, not only nickel, you take copper. Take copper. So what happened in the target, let us see yesterday and previous days we will see. Only for sample I will show you. So whoever interested to back test it, they can come on any desk, we will show you. So yesterday copper buy activated here and it has given some little down movement, then first target done and second target done, exactly done. Not even 1 point is missed. So how many points we have got? 751 to 763. Some 12 points you have got. So 12 points means 12 into 2,500 rupees. 12 into 2,500 rupees. How much comes? 30,000 rupees profit. In copper, we have got 30,000 rupees profit. So this is in copper. So in 61,500 rupees profit in nickel and 15,300 rupees profit in crude oil. 6,705 rupees profit in bank nifty. Okay. So let us see for the other script. What is other script? Zinc. So zinc I will show you. So zinc, first target done. Entry here we have taken entry 231.55. Exactly entry has been triggered. First target done and second target done. How many points we have got? 231 to 235. 5 points we have got. 32, 34, 32, 33, 34, 35. 4 points you have got. So 4 into 5,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees you have got. So in zinc, we have got 20,000 rupees profit. So all these are for single day. All these are for the single day. But we are not telling to do trade in everything. You take any one script and keep trading in that script itself, you will get sufficient profit. Okay, so this is about the MST Core 2.0. Now we have one more indicator which is only for the equity stocks and for the bank nifty. So what is the indicator? So now I will go to bank nifty. I will select index features. So this one. So here, if lines are coming on any trading day, it means that you are having trading for that day. If no lines are coming like this, it means that there is no trade for that day. So if no lines are coming, you have to avoid, there is no trade. If lines are coming, then there is a trade. We have given some formula backside. It will check everything for you and it will show you whether to trade or not to trade. So if you are getting this line, you trade. If you don't get this line, don't trade. Okay. It is as simple as LKG stuff. So now yesterday buy activated 33,059. So first target done, second target also done. So how many points we have got yesterday? From 33,059 to 33,723. So 664 points yesterday we have got. 664 points yesterday profit as per this E-core. So the profit is 16,600 rupees. 16,600 rupees in bank nifty as per E-core. So all these are for the single lot. All these are for the single lot only. If you are taking 10 lots, it has become 1,66,600. 1,66,000 plus you will get that. So similarly, you can trade for any day, and this will also work in the stock. It will also work in the stock. So previous day we had no trade, and previous day we have got the buy entry, we have got some 200 points profit. Then it has come down, but SL did not hit. So here on previous day there is no trade. On previous day we had a trade. See here, buy activated, first target, third target, and first target, second target, and third target also done. And previous day buy did not activated, sell activated, first target and second target almost done. On previous day there is no trade, and previous day also there is no trade, previous day no trade. So if the conditions is not met, then trade will not be executed. See here, first buy not activated, first sell activated, and target done, SL was safe. So similarly, you can check for any number of days, so it will give good profit. So to get maximum profit, what you have to do? After taking entry, you have to wait for till 3 o'clock, 3:15 you have to wait. So whatever is the profit coming, you can take. So whatever profit you have got already, we should not lose the profit. So for that, what you have to do? After first target, move your stop loss to cost to cost. After second target, move your stop loss to first target. So in that way, you can keep trailing your stop loss so that you will get maximum profit from the market. So yesterday, if you had followed our indicator, core indicator, if you had followed, what would be the profit? 30,000 plus 61,500 in nickel and 15,300 rupees in crude oil and 6,755 in the bank nifty. So yesterday 1,13,575 rupees profit in the core. So in the bank nifty, if you are using only in the bank nifty, then we have got the profit of 16,600 rupees profit. So same thing you can also apply in the nifty. Okay, nifty. So yesterday what happened? So buy activated and first target almost done here. Here the target ratio is 1:2. If you can see, this is our SL. So buy entry is the SL for the sell and sell entry is the SL for the buy. So nifty will not see that much movement. So the movement is very slow here, but the target is big. So if we have closed at 3:15, so we have got the profit of 148482 1469, almost 200 points. You have got the profit in the in nifty. So for 100 points it is 7,500 rupees, and 200 points it is 15,000 rupees profit in a nifty. So this strategy we have built only for the bank nifty, but fortunately it is working for all the equity and stocks. So this is simply a breakout strategy, but in a breakout strategy we have used some other formula to decide whether we have to trade or not. Okay, so this is our indicator performance today. It is very simple. So now this D core we have created now. So this will have only MST core 2.0 plus E core 2.0. So here we have made bank nifty buy sell, bank nifty buy sell, and here MST first buy, first sell, second buy, and second sell. So if you don't want to get to two indicators separately, then you can go for a single indicator which will have both the things in a single platform. Or if you don't want the E core, if you want only MST core 2.0, then you can go for this indicator. Or if you don't want MST core 2.0, if you want to only trade in equity and stocks and bank nifty, then you can choose the E core. So all these facilities we have given. So whichever you want, you can take. But whatever you are taking, keep following them minimum for 6 months every day. Follow the be a disciplined trader. You will get 100% success. 100% success in this trading. You should not follow any other thing. Okay, when you are following this, you have to follow only this. You will get sure profit. There is no doubt in it. Okay, that's all. That's about today's session. So whatever doubts you are having, please ask us. We will answer you in a Telegram and WhatsApp in text or voice-based message. And whoever interested in subscribing to our indicator, this indicator we are giving on a lifetime based subscription. We are not charging you every month or weekly or 2 months or 3 months. Pay once and get it for lifetime. So we are charging only 15,000 rupees for lifetime access. So in 1 or 2 days, you will get the money back. If you are trading properly, in 1 or 2 days, you will get your money back. Okay, you don't have to feel at all. You don't have to get panic. What will happen to the market? Whatever be the market trend, you just follow the indicator. You will get 100% profit in a month. I'm telling in a month. Suppose if you're investing 1 lakh rupees, you will get 20,000 to 40,000 rupees. So that is what you can expect. So if you are investing 1 lakh rupees in a bank, so for 1 year they will give only 6,000 rupees. So per month they will give only 500 rupees. You just calculate the percentage. Per year 6%, and here per month you will get minimum 20%. So per month 20% means per year to 240% you will get. So this way you have to think. Don't think every day how to make some 20,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees profit. You have to take something from the market and you have to give something to the market also. The whatever you are giving to the market, that is the loss. But don't think it is a loss. It is a part of your business. When you are considering a trading as your business, you will not feel to lose the money. When you are considering the trading as gambling, then you will feel to lose the money in the market. So that is the secret of this business. Consider this business as the consider this trading as the business, so you will not regret it anywhere. If you are considering this as a gambling, then you will be losing everything in your trading. So once you book the profit, just come out of the market. Don't stay continuously in the market. Is that clear? So that's all. That's about today's session. If any doubts, you can contact us. Thank you all. Once again, we request everyone to subscribe and share our YouTube channel to maximum number of trading friends, so that the small traders, they will not lose further. They will stop losing and they will start making money using our indicator. Thank you all. All the best.